Hello, this is my new vacuum cleaner, which I got last week. It's very light and it's easy to use. Now, my old one had given up the ghost, and so I bought this one. And Serena, my lovely lady helper, helps me does the work for me around the house. And this is easy, and she just wants to clean marks off the walls. She just takes that off at the bottom. It's on a battery, of course, which you charge up when you finish with it. And it does 35 minutes to the charge. It was £99 on Amazon. By the way, I also bought the scales there from Amazon. Well, this is the best thing I've ever bought from them, I think. £99, and it was here next day. And I had, what was it, 6 pages of vacuum cleaners to search through to look for it, to search for it. And I say, it's so easy for Serena and me and my lodgers to move around. It's unbelievable.